Let's take a few more questions. This is Basu Samriddhi. How is he spending his time in this quarantine, and what is his favorite pastime? Also, what is his favorite cuisine, and does he like Bengali food?
So I didn't get the name. What was the name?
Basu Samriddhi. Samriddhi Basu.
Samriddhi, hi. I've not tasted too much Bengali food, but next time I go to Calcutta, I will make sure I do that, hopefully soon in the future. What is my favorite cuisine? These days, ghar ka simple khana. I found a new undying love for my home cooked food that I had ignored for so many years because I was working all over the country and the world. So I would say जो घर की दाल रोटी सब्जी होती है उसमें एक नया मजा मुझे मिला है. So I would have to say these days that's my favorite cuisine. I didn't realize कितनी किस्म की दाल होती है फरीदून. I'd forgotten how many home cooked different kind of dals you can actually enjoy eating. So that's been interesting. Um, what was her second part of her question?
Yeah. What is his favorite cuisine? Does he like Bengali food? Do you like Bengali food?
I've not tasted too much of it. मिष्टी दोई खाया है वो तो सबने ही खाया है तो मैंने प्रॉपर खाना खाना नहीं टेस्ट. I'm allergic to seafood तो मैं उनकी स्पेशल जो फिश आती है वो खा नहीं सकता. So unfortunately I've not tasted too much of it. And she asked me what do I do in quarantine these days.
Yeah. Favorite pastime.
Exactly what she's doing and you're doing. Exactly the same. The virus has made all of us equal. कुछ अलग नहीं है. मैं थोड़ा टीवी देखता हूँ, थोड़ा टीवी मुझे देखता है, मैं थोड़ा लैपटॉप देखता हूँ, थोड़ा लैपटॉप मुझे देखता है, फोन पे होता हूँ, थोड़ा कसरत कर लेता हूँ, दोस्तों के साथ हाउस पार्टी या जूम पे चले जाता हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए, स्काइप कॉल्स हो जाते हैं, फैमिली से बातचीत होती है. वही हो रहा है जो सबकी जिंदगी में हो रहा है ना इस वक्त. इट डजेंट मैटर आप एक्टर हो, आप जर्नलिस्ट हो, यू वी आर ऑल इक्वल एट दिस टाइम. हम लोग सब सेम चीज कर रहे हैं.
Okay. This is Kunal. Kunal 27 underscore QQ. One thing that he likes most likes about Anshula.
She's honest. वो सच बोलती है, मुझे डरती नहीं है, because for her I'm not some star or some person that she needs to be careful of what she says, and she doesn't mince her words. वो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ेगी तो अच्छी नहीं लगी बोलती है, फिल्म अच्छी नहीं लगी बोलती है, मैं अगर कैसे बिहेव करूँ, she doesn't feel I'm behaving properly, she'll tell me. She's my grounding factor. तो वो बहुत जरूरी है, आपके आसपास कुछ लोग ऐसे होने चाहिए. तो that's her favorite. For me that's very important. My mother used to be like that, so I see that continuing in her.
And how much of an impact has Fankind has had on her? Do you think?
I think see, you've met her briefly, so you would know she's not the typical filmy, quintessential, obsessed with the Hindi film kind of person, anyways. But I feel this has given her a bond with me, where we've been able to do something together. She's able to work also. Plus, she's part of the film fraternity without directly being there, and she's always wanted to do charity. So, uske liye it's been a well-rounded coming together of where something which I can also be connected to her, and she can give back to society. But यार वो बहुत ज़्यादा educated है मेरे लिए तो. She's studied abroad, she studied at Columbia, she's graduated, she's done urban development and planning. So she's far too intelligent to not put all that to good use. But I'm just happy that she's found her calling. It's sometimes you in taking care of me, मुझे संभालने में she could have forgotten herself, but I'm glad that now she's found something that makes her happy.
No, I think there's a lot of maturity that is coming in. Arjun Kapoor, FC Germany. If you could change one thing in the world, what would that be?
Right now, I would take the virus away. It's pretty simple.
Okay, Amir from Germany. Which look you prefer? Bulked up, beast, or lean?
Oh, I think I would have to say lean because it allows you to do a lot more different kind of roles. It just simplifies the way you can select material and people approach you for all kinds of roles if you're lean. The leaner you are, the younger you can look also.
Okay, Vicky Khetripat is saying, when are you getting married to Malaika? Also, what do you like the most in her? What makes her different from other girls?
I will tell all of you all when I'm getting married. There are no plans as of right now. अभी शादी होगी भी तो कैसे होगी अगर करनी भी होगी. Not planned it, not thought about it, but like I always say, I will not hide it. I would have to say it's difficult to sum up when you love somebody to say that one particular thing you like, because that the whole point is when you love somebody, you love the entirety of the personality that that person has. But with her, I feel she really gets me, and she's very patient with me. I'm not the easiest and the simplest person to be with. I am a certain way, and I think her patience with me really matters. And she has that maturity that sometimes I need. She is older than me, and that accounts for being able to have a sense of calm and maturity that you need um, when you're around somebody like me who can tend to be a little impatient or a little emotional from time to time.
Right. So how is she dealing with this situation?
She's cooking, yoga. Uh, she's mentally a very very fit person. You know, she's mentally somebody who's very strong. She's always been self-made person. She's been working for so many years. I think she's missing work. She's turning to go back to work, but I think she's uh, she's been able to in the last few years find whether you call it uh, cooking or activities or yoga. She's found other things also that make her happy. So उनकी life उतनी affect नहीं हुई है in terms of being able to do the stuff she likes from within the confines of the house. But obviously she's missing her family and friends. She's not been able to meet her mom. She's not been able to meet her sister. So I think she's getting impatient on that account. But she's that way she's quite relaxed. She has enough going on to keep her busy.
All right. You're talking about the introspection part of it. How do you look back at your career so far? You started off on a bang. I was speaking to Gohar Khan Dadri and Ishaq Zadeh.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Started off with a bang, the music, and you had two states after that, and one day several films that have really worked. Half Girlfriend, the music was simply sensational. But then maybe after that, in the recent times, certain films maybe they've not done that well. How do you look at your career so far as an actor?
So I think I'm somebody here, Faridun, who's always been happy to be in this field. You know, it's not like I'd set any benchmarks or I'd come with any expectations for myself. It Acting happened to me in a very, very mysterious, strange way where I never wanted to act and then I became an actor because I've always wanted to make films. So I never came with an expectation कि मुझे number one बनना है, number two बनना है. That wasn't my ambition. My ambition was I want to do great films. I want to do good work. I want to work with a lot of people. You know, that was my excitement. I want to work with all kinds of people that I grew up admiring. So from that sense, I feel it's been fulfilling that I've done. This is my 14th film that was going to release, Sandeep और Pinky Farah. तो मैंने 14-15 फिल्में की है 7-8 साल में. Some have worked, like you said. Some unfortunately have not worked. But I've chosen to do them. So I can't turn around and say कि मेरी गलती नहीं थी. Somewhere I have maybe missed out on reading the script, or somewhere maybe potential film का fulfill नहीं हुआ. But the way I look at it, I feel अभी मेरी शुरुआत है. I'm only 7-8 years in, so I still have time to really find my prime. And I know this question comes a lot because of the fact that we are compared sometimes, you know, contemporary to contemporary. But everybody takes that time to come into their own also. So I feel this is that starting point for me. I feel my best is yet to come.